What's going on YouTube? Modeling Nut back at you. Today I have for your reviewing pleasure the 48 scale print scale American F-86 Sabre set. So this is obviously for 48, 148 scale, and kind of encompasses a lot of the E models that would have been flown. This is part one. They do have multiple parts. Again, the nice thing about print scale is in 70 seconds they will combine the multiple parts. For the most part, again, take a look at their site and you can see what other marking options that they have, but this is just for part one of this. So looking through, we have from the 335th, focus in there, Pretty Mary. So this one I believe would have been from, all of these I believe are from Korea. We have the F-86E, which is Father Dan. And then Paper Tiger. It's a nice shark's mouth on the front here. And then the fourth marking option that we have is the King. And one black and white photo of that aircraft. We have a top and bottom view for US insignias. And then we have our little decal sheet. Now the one thing to note is print scale, they do not have any sort of like markings for like stencils, no steps, things like that. If you would like to have all of those on your decals, you can refer back to the original kit sheets. I know there are other aftermarket ones as well. So let's take a look and see what this sheet looks like though. You can see we have Pretty Mary up here, Father Dan, the tiger mouth for that one. Then have Paper Tiger here. It's shark's teeth in the eyes. And then the King. So, having had personal experience with print scale decals, I know that there's some people who haven't maybe had the best of luck with them. I personally had great success with them when I was working on a B24M that is on my channel. I know obviously the build itself, due to the kit, had some issues, but the decals themselves went down beautifully. I cannot say enough positive things about my experience with print scale. Obviously I was a little leery. They do a lot of very interesting subjects, so if you've not had the chance to check out what they offer, definitely pop over to their site. They have, like I said, a great selection of decals, and I have quite a few sets in my collection. So hopefully you guys like this quick little review video of the Part 1 American F-86 Sabre decal sheet from Print Scale. Talk to you later.